Hello traders, so welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video I am going to take one live trade and will explain everything about the trading setup so that you can learn as well as apply in your live trading session. So without wasting any time, let's get started. As you can see, we are on the live chart, and first of all let me select the time frame, and the amount will be okay. 101 is quite good. So as you can see, market was moving in the downward direction, and what I can see here is a double bottom pattern. So let me first draw some trend lines. Okay, so it's been broken, and okay, so we have here a trend line breakout, which I guess we have missed. It was a good opportunity actually, but we somehow missed it, but no problem. We will going to get some more opportunities in the future, so let's wait. So now I'm waiting for some retracement, and then we will place our trade in the direction of the new trend, which is basically uptrend. The minor trend is going to be uptrend for some time now, so I'm just waiting for some retracement, and then we are good to go. Okay, so this is also a strong support zone for the market. Market is moving strongly in the upward direction because this is a good breakout. No worries. Let me remove all of it so to make the chart look clear. So as I can see that market is moving quite strongly in the upward direction, so we will wait for the right opportunity. Till then we will wait patiently. This is also a resistance level. We will use this trend line. Some retracement is required now, and we will use the same opportunity to place our trade. So we have placed our trade after waiting for so long. Now let me explain the trade. So as you can see, market was previously moving in the downward direction. After that, it formed a double bottom pattern, meaning that now market is going to change its minor trend, and in this case the minor trend will be uptrend. Now what I focus is on here is what I was waiting is the retracement of the market till this trend line, because if this trend line doesn't support the market, then we can place our trade in the direction of the trend. But as you can see, market retraces back till this trend line and formed a great Marubozu bullish candlestick pattern, and the volume is there. The candlestick pattern was very strong. We have two supports. This is our first support level, and second support level is also here. You can see this was also support level, and the third thing is market broke its recent resistance level, suggesting one thing only, that market wants to go up. Now what I neglected here is this resistance level, and let me tell you why. Because I can see there are three levels that is being supporting that the market will go up. The strong candlestick pattern was also there, and that's why I neglected this pattern, because in order to market to go in the upward direction, it has to break this level, because otherwise the market doesn't have any way to go. This strong candle gives me the actual confirmation that now you can place your trade. This level can hinder the path, but ultimately it's going to be broken by the market because the volume is high. So let's wait for the result now. So as you can see, we have won this trade by a great margin. And again, let me explain you the trading setup so that if you have left with any doubts, I can clear it. So my trading setup was very simple. Market was changing its minor trend. I waited for the market to hit its support level, which was this level, because market always moves in a trend. So a trend line can give us a good trading setup. Second thing which I noticed, that market also have a horizontal support level here. As you can see, it was previously a resistance, and market was also respecting it here. So I was sure that market will respect it here. The third thing which I noticed, that market is giving us a good momentum. As you can see, the strength, the length of this candle is very, very good, suggesting the momentum and the volume together. This Marubozu, and I have explained in my previous video about a Marubozu candlestick pattern, that whenever there is a Marubozu candlestick pattern, the volume is high, the momentum is high, and the market will follow the Marubozu candlestick pattern. So I found this level here, and this Marubozu candle also broke this recent resistance level, which market was respecting. You can see market goes down, some retracement was there, market tried to go up, but it failed 2 times, and that's why it was also a level to look careful. So I found that market is being broken by this candlestick. We have 2 more levels here, and that's why I place my trade in the direction of the trend, and that's how you can place your trade also. So with this note, I will finish this video here, and if you have any doubt, comment down below and I will answer it as soon as possible. If you find value in these videos, make sure you like and share it with your friends and family. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep trading, keep working hard. Good day.